Hey there, it's Noelle from the Directors Club. I hope you're having a great day today. Today, I'm going to talk to you about our Compliance Command Center. And as you know, I also own a childcare center with my sister that I operate in Massachusetts, and we have 134 students, and we are expanding to 415 students. Like, that's the craziest number, but we have two big projects going on right now. And I could not operate my childcare center without a great compliance program, because compliance, as we all know, is everything that we do. And if we don't have a good compliance system, we get issues with our licensing, issues in our delivery of what we do for the parents and the students at our centers. We can get in trouble legally with licensing, with our insurance companies. Compliance is so critical, and it doesn't have to be difficult. And so I have this system that we've used for many years that we utilize at my center. And we each perform different pieces of the compliance puzzle. And we're putting it all together and giving it to you. The whole thing's a done-for-you compliance system for you to manage risk at your center, really take control of the compliance. So know what you got to get done, easily get it done. We have all the checklists. We have literally everything you're going to need to implement this in your center. And then the third piece of it is really building a team of culture of accountability. So when we have a team that has to perform all these tasks in a day, according to rules, laws, regulations, and compliance, it's not easy, especially if you have 30 employees, 5, doesn't even matter. If they're off doing their own thing, you can't control everything they do, but we can put systems in place to make sure that we're doing the best we possibly can. And I'm going to show that to you, because there is just, so many different things that we do at our child care centers. So what is the Compliance Audit Center? So the first thing it's a step on how to organize all the documents, and we're going to give you all the documents for that. We're going to show you how to weave this into your day, because I know that your days are crazy nuts and it can change in a heartbeat. So we're going to work through that. The second piece of it is we're going to walk you through the complete compliance toolkit. So that is a dashboard, a worksheet, like checklist for every single compliance area. And they're quick and easy. Nothing's difficult. If you know me, we do not have enough time. Everything can also be edited. So if you have something specific for your company or your state, you can plop it right in there, delete things. Everything we can do, you can use it as is, or you can edit it. And then the third piece of compliance is your team. It's not easy getting your team to complete all the tasks they have to do in the way that you and the state want them done, right? So it's like normal nature that we're all not going to do everything the same. But we can train staff before they come to us. We can train staff on the job. We can also use compliance as coaching with our teams. And we can also use it in professional development, whether it's like a day, a workshop, or at your staff meeting. So this is a 3-hour workshop, and now you know why. We're going to hit time, compliance, and people. And this is going to create a system at your center. Like I said, it's already done for you, that you're just going to focus on it a few minutes a day. It's not going to be a big thing that you have to do, but if you just take this and little by little add the steps in a few minutes a day, you're going to see a massive improvement in the accountability with your team, and you get to celebrate like how amazing your center is operating. And if you're like me, I'm in the middle of expanding, it's really going to be helpful for that. So as part of this, it's $57. Like, it's a no-brainer, right? You're going to get the Take Back Your Day toolkit, a complete compliance library. So a staff member is on their cell phone. It's going to have a policy on that cell phone. Why it's going to talk about why we don't use cell phones. And you're going to be able to use this in your coaching and mentoring. We're going to give you all the employee forms and procedures on coaching them through compliance issues, on staff meeting things, write-ups, like all that. You're also going to get to come to a workshop. And so we're not going to just hand you this to you and you download it and figure it out. We're going to walk you through how we use it, and we're going to collaborate together, because you could say to me, Noelle, I can't do that. That doesn't work for me. And we're going to collaborate on how you could make something work for certain things. So again, you get the recording and a training certificate. We've also designed a Trello board template. So if you want to go digital with this, you can. We have an entire Trello board with the entire system mapped out on it, and you'll be able to utilize that if you like. You do not have to. It's also a good tool for your entire leadership team to look at it. And you have all your compliance on a dashboard. If the state ever walked in, or you show your insurance company how on top of compliance you are, it's just going to be an asset to your business, but you don't need it if you don't want it. And lastly, if you know us, we love utilizing AI for better leadership processes. So we've created the AI Compliance Command Center Assistant. And what is that? You're getting so much in this package. There are so many policies. There's forms. Just the compliance library alone is 300 pages. You're getting so many things in this. And I want to make it easy for you. So you're going to get a custom GPT where you can put it into Chat AI, and all you have to do is say, I want to host a training at my next staff meeting on 5 health and safety topics. What should I do? And it's going to give you it from the compliance library, any sheets, any forms that might come with it in the employee bucket. It's going to help you find things that you want, like how do I document if a employee violates a compliance policy? And it's going to give you the compliance issue, it's going to give you the write-up, and it's going to help you write it. So come on, the AI assistant's amazing. So I want you to join us on Tuesday, March 31st from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. You're going to get this whole system. You're going to get the recording, all the compliance command tools, Trello board organization if you like it, and the AI assistant to help you through the entire thing. But you won't need that because you will be with us in the training, and we're going to help you answer all the questions and support you in just organizing your compliance. So who's this for? If you either have no compliance whatsoever, you need to show up. If you have a ton of compliance and you want to reorganize it and add to your compliance toolkit, this is for you. So it's for every director that really wants to really get control of their compliance, make it super easy, but effective at the school. So I hope you can join us. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. Have a great day.